Hey guys, Dave the MMP back on Yola, little DIY sailboat fun. Navigation, so I've been doing lots of videos on navigation. I've got the whole system built now, and now I just have to figure out where I'm going to fit it on the boat. Originally I was thinking about the quarter berth, but it's kind of tucked underneath and I'd have to crawl into the quarter berth if I needed to change the SD card or do any work in there. So I've been wanting for a long time to build my own little electrical cabinet, and this boat doesn't really have one. I put a switch panel into the back of the engine room, and it's in a pretty convenient place, but I've always wanted to move it, so let's take a look. All right, so here's the spot where I'd like to have a couple of doors here, maybe a door that swings down, a wooden door that would match the wood on the bulkhead here. There is wooden planks in the back behind that box. My radio lives here. I'd like to have a stereo in here, and I'd like to have all the electronics in here. And a lot of boats kind of have this where they have a nav station, but this is a 30-foot boat. It doesn't have a nav station. So I think I might just put an enclosure in this spot, the biggest one that I can fit in there, and maybe put a wooden face on the front just so it's not sticking out like a sore thumb like this big white box. Okay guys, that's it for me. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, and I'll see you next week.